Have you ever walked into a senior home and felt overwhelmed? The kind of space where every shelf tells a story, but also whispers a little chaos? Maybe you've seen it in your own room. Drawers stuffed with papers you meant to file, clothes that haven't been worn since your 50s, and trinkets that once brought joy but now just take up space. What if I told you that these small organizing mistakes are quietly stealing your peace, and that fixing them could completely transform your daily life? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only see what those mistakes are, but you'll know exactly how to turn your home into a calm, clutter-free sanctuary you actually love waking up in. And trust me, you don't want to miss number 8. It's the one most seniors never even realize they're making until it's too late. Meet Linda, 68 years old, a retired schoolteacher who moved into a senior community 2 years ago. Linda's apartment is charming, soft beige walls, a little balcony with potted plants, and shelves filled with photo albums and teaching awards. But when she looks around lately, she sighs. Because beneath the comfort, there's clutter creeping in. And that's where our story begins. Because Linda's situation isn't unique. It's the story of thousands of seniors who just want order, peace, and room to breathe again. If you've ever felt that way too, hit that like button, because this one's for you. Mistake number 1. Keeping someday stuff. Linda opens her hallway closet and laughs softly. Inside, 3 old sewing machines, a box of yarn, and an unopened craft kit from her daughter last Christmas. "I'll get to them someday," she always said. But someday never came. This is the first organizing mistake most seniors make: keeping someday items. The truth? Those projects, hobbies, and gadgets often turn into guilt rather than joy. If it's been untouched for more than a year, it's not part of your life anymore, it's a mental weight. So here's your fix. Take one shelf, one drawer, or one box today. Ask yourself, does this item serve me right now? If not, bless it, donate it, and move on. You'll be amazed at how freeing that single decision feels. What's your someday item? Let us know in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else to finally let go. Mistake number 2. Clinging to memory clutter. Linda's living room table is covered with greeting cards, birthdays, anniversaries, sympathy notes. Every single one feels sacred. But here's the truth no one likes to admit. Keeping everything from everyone dilutes the memories that matter most. Choose 5. Just 5 cards that truly capture your heart. Maybe one from your grandchild, one from your late husband, one that makes you smile every time you read it. Then let the rest go, or scan them to keep digitally. Because memories don't live in paper. They live in you. Mistake number 3. Hiding clutter in convenient places. Linda's dresser drawers look tidy, until she opens the bottom one. Old batteries, expired lotion, mismatched socks, receipts from 2012. Sound familiar? Most seniors don't realize that clutter in hidden spaces still affects their mental clarity. Even if no one else sees it, you know it's there. And that silent stress builds up over time. Fix it by creating a declutter habit. Every Friday, pick one drawer, just one, and empty it completely. You'll feel lighter, prouder, and more in control every single week. And here's a bonus tip. Put a small sticky note inside each drawer that says, "Keep only what I love or use." It's like a quiet whisper of accountability every time you open it. Mistake number 4. Not labeling storage. When Linda's daughter came to visit, she wanted to help put away some winter clothes. But within 5 minutes, she looked completely lost. "Mom, where does anything go?" she laughed. That's the chaos that happens when your system lives only in your head. You might know where everything belongs, but if someone else needs to help you, they won't. Labeling isn't about being obsessive. It's about making your home easier for others to support you. Use large, clear labels. Write in thick black marker or use printed tags. Label boxes, bins, and even shelves. That way, anyone, a friend, caregiver, or family member, can help keep your space exactly how you like it. And if you want a quick win, comment label love below. I'll know you're taking this step seriously. Mistake number 5. Overdecorating small spaces. Linda loves her home, But she realized one day that every surface, from the TV stand to the nightstand, had something on it. Candles, picture frames, souvenirs, little porcelain cats. It looked sweet, until it didn't. Too many decorations make your space feel crowded and visually noisy. The fix? Curate, don't collect. Choose a few items that tell your story. Maybe that seashell from your honeymoon or your favorite family portrait. Give those treasures space to breathe. Everything else? Thank it for the memory and let it go. Before we move on to the next part, take a breath. Look around your room right now. What's one thing you could remove today to make your home feel calmer? Go ahead, pause this video if you need to. That one small action could change the way you feel for the rest of the day. And stay tuned, because in part 2, we're diving into the final organizing mistakes, including the one that even the most organized seniors don't see coming. Trust me, number 8 might just save you from the biggest frustration of all. Before we continue, if you're finding this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Reset for Seniors. It helps us reach more amazing people just like you, and keeps inspiring stories like Linda's alive. When Linda sat down that evening, she felt lighter already. She had cleared her closet, sorted her cards, and labeled 2 drawers. But as she looked around her little city apartment, she realized something deeper. Clutter wasn't just about stuff. It was about emotions, fear, and the memories attached to every corner. That's when she discovered the next mistake, one that hides in plain sight. Mistake number 6, ignoring emotional zones. Every home has them, the corners or shelves where emotions live. For Linda, it was the hallway table. There sat her late husband's old watch, his reading glasses, and a coffee mug he used every morning before he passed away. She never touched them. She couldn't. But here's the truth. Keeping those items out of guilt or grief keeps your home from evolving with you. It's okay to honor someone's memory, but it's not okay to freeze your life around it. So Linda did something brave. She placed the watch in a shadow box with a photo of them together and put it on her bookshelf. A simple act that turned pain into tribute. If you've ever struggled with this, remember, your loved ones want you to live fully, not cling painfully. Honor them by making your home a place of life, not loss. Take one item that feels heavy and give it a meaningful home, or let it go. Mistake number 7, mixing active life and storage life. Linda realized her kitchen cabinets were filled with serving trays, baking dishes, and gadgets she hadn't used in years. They were part of her old life, when she hosted holiday dinners and cooked for her kids. Now, she mostly made tea, toast, and soup. The mistake? Keeping active and storage life mixed together. When you reach for a mug, you shouldn't have to move a cake stand. So here's your fix. Keep only the items you use weekly in your easy-to-reach spaces. Put the rest in labeled storage bins, or pass them along to someone who will use them. You don't need to prove who you were through things. You only need to live comfortably where you are. Mistake number 8, decluttering without a system. Here it is, the one that causes the most chaos, even for the most organized seniors. Linda used to declutter when she felt like it. One day here, another day there, but she'd end up with piles half sorted, rooms half done, and energy completely drained. The secret to peace isn't decluttering once. It's creating a rhythm. Here's the system that changed Linda's life, and it can change yours too. 1. Start small. Pick one area, not the whole house. 2. Sort fast. Keep, donate, discard. No maybe pile. 3. Set a timer. 20 minutes at a time. Stop when the timer ends. 4. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge every little victory. 5. Repeat weekly. Make it part of your life, not a once-a-year event. This isn't just cleaning. It's reclaiming peace. One drawer, one day, one decision at a time. Linda smiled as she stood by her window that night. The same home that once felt heavy now felt open. Air moved freely, light filled corners, and she could finally breathe deeply again. And when her daughter visited the next week, she gasped, "Mom, your place looks amazing." Linda laughed. "It's not just my home that feels different, it's me." So here's what you can take away from Linda's story. Stop saving someday items. Your life is happening now. Let go of memory clutter. Memories live in your heart, not in piles. Label and simplify your space. Make it easy for others to help you. Create a system, declutter in rhythm, not in chaos. And most of all, fill your home with peace, not pressure. Because your space should serve you, not the other way around. Before you go, ask yourself this. If someone you love were coming to visit next week, what's one small change you could make today to make your home feel lighter? Maybe it's cleaning that drawer. Maybe it's letting go of one sentimental item. Or maybe it's finally starting. Whatever it is, do it today, not someday. Because peace doesn't wait. It's built, one choice at a time. If you found this story helpful, don't just scroll away. Take 2 seconds to hit like. Because that simple tap helps Reset for Seniors reach thousands of amazing people who need this message. Share in the comments. What's one space in your home that feels too full right now? Your comment might be the nudge another senior needs to take their first step too. And make sure you subscribe to Reset for Seniors, because next week's video might just change the way you see your home forever. You'll want to be here, because the next episode is about the biggest secret to aging in peace that nobody talks about. Don't miss it.